Grill, griddle, or cook bacon to perfection with the Hamilton Beach 3-in-1 MultiGrill. With 3 cooking modes and dual cooking surfaces, it can accommodate any grilling option. For burgers, chicken, steak, fish, vegetables, even paninis, use the grill mode. Or open flat for griddle mode to make eggs, pancakes, or breakfast sausage on the 200 square inch cooking surface. The bacon mode lets you elevate the grill using a unique kickstand. This feature allows bacon to cook splatter-free between the cook plates and allows grease to drain below, giving you delicious crispy bacon. Temperature is adjustable to accommodate a variety of foods. The removable drip tray and dishwasher-safe grilling plates make cleanup easy. For grilling up a variety of delicious meals and splatter-free bacon, the Hamilton Beach MultiGrill is a must-have for every kitchen. Now that's good thinking.